Alright guys, when you get your back wheel off, you'll want to stick a flat blade screwdriver, twist the brake pads apart to give you the most amount of room you possibly can. You'll want to take the pad off that is not on the piston side first. See how it drops out like that? Then you'll push the piston side pad it should drop out like that. Once you got both off, they're connected right here, you'll want to take your flat blade screwdriver, undo the set screw, and then you'll need a 5mm Allen wrench once you take the set screw off. It is a 2014 and it's first time getting changed. Pull it all the way out. Now you got the brake pads off. Right here is why I'm changing mine. You see how the pad wore? Yeah, we don't want that. That's going to make the rotor war bad. We want to get it away before the pad goes away. And then you're grinding steel to steel. And that'll really destroy a rotor. Now, to put everything back in, we'll just go back into the reverse order. Relatively simple. Alright guys, when you're putting these back in, you're going to want to put the piston side in first, and then the fixed side in last. You might need to get a little bit of tension at the top. I think it just got sideways on me. Yeah, I got a little cattywampus. There we go. They are officially in.